welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to install Spotlight to the content management system, which will enable even more smooth search for the global search. So let's go ahead and just compose or require this plugin. While this is downloading, we need to make sure we have the assets published if you haven't already done that. And also make sure we register this plugin inside our admin panel provider. Alright, so that seems to be everything we need to do. So let's head into the admin panel. And obviously we need to import the class as well, of course. So let's make sure we do that. There we go. So if you now hit Command K, you get this spotlight appear here, and you can search for various different things. So all you just need to do is hit Command K, and you can search, for example, for the products list, and it will just jump right in. So this is a neat small plugin that will help you make your application just a bit nicer to use and a bit easier to use for everyone. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.